The opportunity for my internship came through Mid-America. It was in my advanced manufacturing class that they told us about this opportunity. So I applied and I interviewed. I'm interning at Fewell Monument, and we design and manufacture headstones. And my part in that is in the laser department.
Fewell Monument participates with local high schools in the internship programs. And we were really lucky to connect with Olivia as part of this program. And we hired her in our factory initially, and then she now works in our customer service department. We liked her commitment. She had a sense of purpose. She was very professional. We felt she had a lot to offer, and she's learned quite a bit while she's been with us. I see many benefits in hiring interns throughout our company. Especially during busy season, we are able to expand our staff. It gives us an opportunity to bring them in and get to know them. They get an opportunity to know us. They get an opportunity to meet with our employees and learn to work and train with our employees. The students that we bring in, I feel, learn something very important. In our production process, it's multifaceted. There are many things in our process, and if one part of the process doesn't work, the downstream processes kind of break down. And so people need to learn from each other, they need to help each other, they need to understand when to ask for help. They also need to be able to respond, be responsive when somebody else asks them for help. So the relationship building that they get, that kind of training that they get at Fewell, I think is extremely important. It's something that is critical for us, and it probably is something that they could use anywhere that they go to work. In most communities, the employer or the companies are the ones that are seeking assistance or help or some kind of outlet to get candidates or to get employees. In this case, Mid-America is an organization that does outreach, that comes to us. And so with those relationships, the interns can go into the workplace, whether it's on a production floor or in an office or whatever it may be, whether it's technology or actually operating machinery. So there's mutual benefit, not only for the employer, but also for the employee, prospective employee, who could eventually perhaps become a permanent employee at some point. They learn a lot, they learn what a workplace is all about, and it prepares them, whether they stay with us or go somewhere else. It really does prepare them really well.